Hello, friends! Let's learn the different ways to represent a number. Let's see how to represent number 3. We can use letters and write 3. We could use 3 fingers. We could use tally marks. We can use 3 dots on a tens frame. Or we can have 3 objects. These are the ways we can represent number 3. Hello, friends! Let's play a number game. It's a number match. You have to match number 3, where you can count 3 things. Where here can you count 3 things? It'll be the ladybugs, the socks, or the carrots. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 ladybugs. Where do you see 3 things? Very good, 3 carrots. Let's try again. Now, where can you count 3 things? The fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Yes, 3 mice. This is number 3. You can write number 3 with letters. You can have 3 objects. You can mark 3 dots on a tens frame. You can show 3 fingers, or you can use tally marks and mark 3.